everybody! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, here is a new question. It's exclusive, so you're lucky if you found this video. And we're going to see all of the other answers, like this one and this one, because those are the answers like you asked for, and our paper is released. So click the playlist called 11 Plus Exam Paper 1 for it. Today we are explaining this question that asks us to express this as a product of prime factors. 24 equals 2 cubed times 3. Today I'm going to explain how you get the answer like that. So, first it says prime factors. And as you can see, the things there, 2 and 3 are prime. So first we have to do 24 because that's the number we have to express. 12 times 2 equals 24, which are factors of 24. And next, 12 is not prime, so we keep going. 6 times 2 equals 12. And if you see that it equals 12, and we circle 2 because it's a prime number, and that's why one of them is 2 cubed. But there are 2 2's, which means it is 2 squared. But we can still put 6 into its factors, 3 and 2. And 3 times 2 is 6, so it's correct. And 3 is prime as well. So since there are 3 2's, it's going to be 2 cubed. And there's only one 3, so it's going to be 2 cubed times 3. The next question says, calculate these values. So, the first value is 6 squared, and squared means to multiply a number by itself. So this is 6 squared equals 6 times 6, and that's equal to 36, which is why that's the answer to the first one. So the next question is minus 7 squared, which is equal to minus 7 times minus 7. But it's not minus 49. Why is it 49 then? Because minus 7 times minus 7 is 2 minuses. So a minus times a minus equals a plus. So the answer is going to be positive, not negative. So minus 7 times minus 7. The minuses cancel out on each other, so it's just 7 times 7, which is 49. And the next one, 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times itself 4 times, which is just 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 16. That is the correct answer. And the next one is minus 4 times minus 4 times minus 4 because it's cubed. But it's not going to be positive this time because since we know minus 4 times minus 4 is positive, which is 16, now we have to do 16 times minus 4. And 16 is positive and minus 4 is negative. A positive times a negative equals to a negative, which is why the answer is negative 64. Now we have to turn these fractions and see which one is the smallest. But first we need to turn them into a decimal, like 3/4 is 0.75. And for the next one, 4/5 is 0.8. And the other one, 3/8, is 0.375. And the rest of it, you can see it right there. Now, which one is the smallest? Well, it's not 0.4, but it's 0.375 that is the smallest. So that is our answer. But we have to give it its original form, 3/8. So the answer to the question is 3/8. Now, time for the next question. Which of these mixed numbers are the largest? So, it's asking for the largest number. But we can't just look at the big number and assume it's 2, because we have to turn them into improper fractions and turn the improper fraction into a decimal. Here's how you find to make the mixed number into an improper fraction. So 5 times 2 is 10. And then you add the top number, 10 plus 3, which is 13. And you keep the denominator the same. So it's 13 over 5. Now we know all how to turn the mixed number into improper fraction. 13 over 5 is 2.6, and these are the decimals for all the other mixed fractions. Now we have to see which decimal is the largest, which is 2.75. And it's 11 over 4, which is 2 3/4. Thank you for watching. I very much appreciate it. And please comment and subscribe, because then I know you love my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Please support me by doing this.